Extreme weather has caused almost $1.5 billion worth of damage to Australian homes in the first half of 2025 alone. And yet, there are things you can do to help protect your home for less than $20. I'm Geoff Evans. I was a firefighter for over a decade and I co-founded Disaster Relief Australia. Over the years, I've seen many times how destructive nature can be, whether it's a tropical cyclone like Debbie in 2017 or the recent flood disaster in Taree. People often tell me they just can't afford to prepare for our wild weather. But here's what I've learned. Some of the things you can do before storm season don't cost much at all. Simple hardware store upgrades can make a huge difference. Adding drop bolts to doors helps them resist wind pressure and flying debris. That's really important if you live in a cyclone-prone area. Weather stripping your doors and windows is another budget-friendly fix. Weather strip tape can cost just a few dollars and help seal gaps against wind-driven rain. Likewise, you can use plywood boards for DIY window protection during cyclones. It's much cheaper than permanent shutters. Moving outside, gutter guards are an affordable way to stop your gutters becoming blocked. In cyclones or severe winds, even light objects can become a hazard. I once saw a plastic straw become embedded in a brick after a tornado had ripped through Texas. Just imagine what a shovel could do. So tidy up your yard, bring your furniture in, it costs nothing and could prevent costly damage to your home. And rather than shopping at the last minute, build your emergency kit over time. It's easier on the wallet. And finally, team up with your neighbours. Bulk buy your emergency supplies like bottled water and canned goods together. Or share tools like a pressure washer or leaf blower for cheaper storm cleanups. Even with limited funds, there are steps you can take to improve your home's resilience to unpredictable weather. See You Prepared for more helpful information, including expert tips, emergency checklists, and practical resources.